Very good. The northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun and the southern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun. So it is winter in the southern hemisphere. Excellent. Very good, beta.
Southern hemisphere will have winter. Now Earth travels along its orbit and reaches this region. Its tilt does not change. Now southern hemisphere exposes to more sunlight. So southern hemisphere will have summer and northern hemisphere will have.
Okay. Now tell me, beta, why is there summer in the southern hemisphere? Tuhin, can you tell me why it is summer?
Because it's tilt toward the sun, so sun is back.
Very good. Excellent. The southern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, so it is getting more rays from the sun. So it is summer in the southern hemisphere, and the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun. So it is getting lesser rays of the sun. So it is winter in the northern hemisphere. Excellent. Very good to him. Proud of you.
Have winter. Similarly, we have autumn when Earth orbits in this region.
Okay. Can you tell me, Tuhin, what happened during the autumn season, or what is the autumn season?
And when
Wait, I'm showing you. In this position, which hemisphere will have the autumn season? In this position.
South.
The Will it be the northern hemisphere or the southern hemisphere? Very good. It will be the southern hemisphere. Very good. And the opposite, that is the northern hemisphere, will have the spring season. So can you tell me, Tuhin, during the spring season, what happened, or what is the spring season?
Ma'am, the spring season is the season which comes after winter and comes before summer. In that time, southern hemisphere will get spring and winter, northern hemisphere will get autumn.
Very good. In this position, the southern hemisphere will have the autumn and the northern hemisphere will have the, the southern hemisphere will have the spring season and the northern hemisphere will have the autumn season. Excellent. Very good. And the autumn season comes after winter. That is in which month, beta? Can you tell me the month of the autumn season?
Ma'am, the middle of September to the middle of October.
Very good. September, October, and somewhat November. In November, the winter starts. Yes, you are correct. September and October. Okay, now tell me, in which month do we get the spring season, beta?
Ma'am, February, in the middle of February, it starts and ends in March.
Very good. February and March. Excellent. Super. Beta.
Region. We have spring season. In this way, due to tilt in Earth's axis, various seasons are formed, while Earth orbiting around Sun.
Look at this image. What do you see? A beautiful woman, right?
Okay. Now tell me this, beta. Can you read it from here?
Ma'am, the screen is not.
Is the screen there, beta?
Yes, ma'am. During a year, you observe season changing on Earth. What causes the season to change? As Earth revolves around the Sun, sunlight strikes different part of Earth at different angles. These changes in the angle of the sunlight cause the season.
Very good. Excellent. So what happens when the earth revolves around the sun? Sunlight strikes different parts of the earth at different angles. So what we have seen, when the sunlight is falling more on a place, that side will have the summer season. The other side, which at the part which is not getting so much sunlight, that is the less sunlight than the other part, that part will have winter season. Similarly, the other part which don't get the sunlight up to a level of summer and up to a level of winter, then the changes will be autumn and spring. Now read it better. Have you understood better? Have you understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me this
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Super. Read it.
The angle at which sunlight hits Earth changes during the year because Earth's axis is tilted about 23 degrees. An axis is a straight line about which an object rotates. Earth's axis is an imaginary line that runs through between its north and south poles.
Okay. Now tell me better, what is an earth's axis? Can you tell me what is an earth's axis?
From North Pole to South.
Excellent. The imaginary line that moves from the earth, that runs from the North Pole to the South Pole, is the axis. And at what angle is it tilted better? Tell me, Tuhin, at what angle is it tilted?
23 degrees.
Very good. It is tilted at 23 degrees. Now read it better. Read it from here. Can you read the facts? Earth is closer to the sun. Then in Earth